Hi guys, welcome to my video presentation. In this video, I am showing you my dream build of a gaming PC. Let's start with CPU or Central Processing Unit. Here, I choose Intel Core i7 because this CPU is a very high performance value for gaming and rendering. Next is motherboard. I prefer to choose Aorus Z390 Pro Wi-Fi ATX because this motherboard is very compatible to the CPU I choose. For RAM or random access memory, I choose Trident Z 4x 8GB, 32GB, 3600 MHz. This kind of RAM is better for gaming and rendering. For the GPU or Graphical Processing Unit, I chose the GeForce RTX 3060 for a great performance and high-speed memory. Next, SSD or Solid State Drive. The Kingston NVM or Non-Volatile Memory Express 1TB is my choice because Kingston is known for their long-lasting builds. For hard drive, I choose Seagate Barracuda 2TB, 3.5 inches desktop hard disk. I choose 2TB hard drive because it is very important nowadays that files are getting larger and larger. For power supply, I choose Corsair RMI series for stable electric current. For fan, I choose First Player Motra MT240 RGB all-in-one to avoid lagging and overheating. And last, for tower case, I choose MSI Mag Force because the exterior design looks cool, a minimal type design. And that's all. Thank you for watching.